Hello guys, welcome to EJ's Trains. We got a westbound BNSF train coming. I'm here on my motorbike, sitting here, and they are speeding. So sit back and enjoy. Here come the horn. They are rolling 70 miles an hour. They are at full track speed. These are 70-mile-an-hour tracks. Wow. They are getting it. Getting it on. Piggyback train. This is a Z train, high priority. Most of these Z trains be up at track speed, 70 miles an hour. So yeah, they be moving to get that mail and UPS trailers where they gotta go. High priority train. Usually they'll give these trains a green light most of the route and make other trains wait. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Continue to watch and subscribe to EJ's Trains and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Take care.